The effects of a nuclear explosion can be catastrophic. They can cause immense destruction due to the blast wave, heat, and radiation. The blast wave can flatten buildings and cause widespread damage. The heat can cause fires over a wide area. The radiation can be lethal and also cause long-term health effects. Nuclear explosions have been used twice in warfare. In 1945, during World War II. Since then, there have been extensive efforts to prevent the use of nuclear weapons through arms control agreements and diplomatic efforts.
Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and share.